Hey everyone, I was sent this really cool red, white, and blue American flag designed headband. This thing fits really nice. It's snug, and one of the really cool things about it, it has this nice silicone sweatband built into it. That is really nice for when the times when you're getting really sweaty outdoors doing your different activities. It helps the sweat get off of your face so it doesn't run down the front of your face here. So really great design. You can tell the back here is where the stitching is, so just make sure that's on the back of your head. And then the silicone band there is lower, so you know which way is up or down. So we'll just keep it this way. Putting it on, really easy. My hair is not super long, but if you had really long hair, you could use it to be able to get your hair pulled back so that it's not flying into your face. And then also just to make sure that the band is being utilized to its full potential, you'll keep it a little bit lower on your face to make sure that the sweat is able to channel off your face instead of going straight down. Now, of course, it's not a panacea. You're going to be able to have a little bit of sweat up here, but by and large, this silicone band built into this keeps the sweat from going straight down your face, into your eyes, all over your glasses if you're wearing glasses. Really handy to be able to have, really comfortable, super stylish. I really like this, something that I'm going to wear all the time, and I know you're going to be loving it as well.